Yes.
Lordship. My lord, I was the headmaster in charge of a high school.
Mm.
After the death of the earlier headmaster,
Mm.
sorry, retirement, I had to be given the charge. That was not given. Then I approached the High Court. High Court granted me relief, asking the director to consider my case. I am retiring on 30th April. That is only 9 days.
Mm.
So let me retire. Let me retire with peace. So it may can be listed tomorrow, my lord.
When?
Tomorrow, because my lord, on 30th I am going to retire.
Tomorrow.
At least let me retire with peace,
11,
that
12.
I'll get the in-charge headmaster till the appointment of regular headmaster. There's an order of your lordship that it may be listed to, after 2 weeks, but more than 5 weeks it is not listed.
Why did not you mention the matter earlier?
Because before Bihu, my lord, only motion matters were taken.
Okay, tomorrow we'll try.
Tomorrow, published.
Yes.
Please, your lordship. My lord, I may be allowed to draw one petition, lordship, petition tomorrow, lordship.
Tomorrow not possible. Is there any urgency?
Lordship, urgency.
If there is no urgency, then in the month of April. Oh, no, sorry, May. First week of May.
Lordship, for withdrawal.
For withdrawal. Withdrawal.
Tomorrow, lordship. And one matter, lordship, for orders, contempt matter, lordship, they are not, in spite of issuing notice, lordship, they are not taking any steps, lordship.
The first week of May.
First week of May.
On first. Yes.
May it please, my lord, prayer for listing of a pension matter, my lord. I have not received my pension since 2023, my lord. On Thursday or Friday, my lord. Any day, as per your lordship.
Is there any urgency?
My lord, I am in my provisional pension, my lord. It is very difficult, my lord, and this matter requires adjudication, my lord.
Under which column? Hearing.
Or hearing,
For
admission hearing, admission hearing. It is
Admission.
an admission.
On 30th, 30.
Can it, my lord, can it be on Thursday or Friday, 24 to
Too many cases already were fixed. On 25th.
25th?
20.
My lord, two more matters, my lord. My lord, SEBA had cancelled our affiliation, my lord, on certain allegations, my lord. Listing for those matters, my lord, it's
When?
been more than one.
First week of May?
24, 25th,
No,
No.
25th. My lord, that pension matter only I'll take.
Okay.
Deeply only.
Yes.
Please, the lordship, I beg to mention for listing of contempt matter. Your lordship wanted from Mr. A. Soliha regarding the file moved to the finance department by education department, lordship. Because of spelling in my name, lordship, I am suffering since 2021, lordship. A year, this number got passed an order in 23, lordship. Still, I am not getting any.
Well, when do you want?
Lordship, 24th, lordship.
24th.
in the first week of May, second May.
Lordship, your lordship wanted to know on, I ordered dated 25 February.
Hmm.
Only this much, whether they have
Okay. Okay.
On 28. 28.
Yes.
another admission matter that may come together because file has been posted together for admission, lordship, on 28.
When?
28, lordship.
Same day he is asking.
No, same day, not possible.
Lordship, file has been moved together, lordship. Both same case, spelling, mistake in spelling, lordship.
Okay. Okay.
Lordship.
Yes.
May I please, lordship, I'm praying to lordship for listing lordship in admission lordship. My lord,
Admission in the first week of May. You can
Lordship,
take any date from him.
my lord,
First week.
my lord, non-payment of arrear salary. My lord, the petition
No,
has lordship, it has
already
been
a lot of
retired.
cases have been fixed. We'll take it up in the first week of May.
On 5th May.
Similar prayer, first week.
Okay. Once,
First week of May.
My lord, another
Take
prayer.
a date from him.
My lord, another prayer, item number 45, my lord. This
Today's list.
today's list, my lord. Last item, my lord. This matter will be taken after 2 weeks, my lord.
After
2 weeks, my lord.
Mr. You are appearing for, your name is not there.
AHMR Choudhury, my lord. AHMR Choudhury.
Your name is not there.
so item 45.
45.
45.
Okay. On the pair being made by Mr. A.H. Amar Choudhury, learned counsel for the petitioner, SSL is the matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yes.
I please, your lordship. My lord, item 16. I am trying to adjourn the matter for 2 weeks, lordship. I have taken consent from the petitioner, lordship. For 2 weeks. 16.
You have a respondent.
Respondent, lordship.
Mr. M.I. Hussain, learned
Okay.
counsel for the respondent.
Respondent number 6.
6. With consent from the other side, respond listing the matter
After 2 weeks, lordship.
after 2 weeks. Fair law. Yes.
Obliged,
sir.
lordship.
I'd like to mention regarding item number 46 of today's list, okay? Listed supplementary list, okay?
Yes.
This is connected with item number 27, which is listed in the main list, Lordship. May I pray that both the matters may be taken up together, Lordship, when 46 may be taken up along with item number 27.
Today or?
Today.
Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, with due consent of the petitioner side, I beg to mention item number 9 of the daily cause list today. Lordship,
Yes.
the matter may come up on the 8th of May or 13th of May.
Mr. Your good name, please?
S. Sharma, I am for the respondent.
Mr.
Private.
S. Sharma, learned counsel for the respondent number,
Private respondent, Lordship.
private respondent with consent from the other side, press for listing the matter after
On 8th of May or 13th if possible, Lordship.
8th of May.
8th May.
Okay.
Deeply.
May I please, Lordship? Two pension matter, Lordship. May I pray for listing on Thursday or Friday, Lordship?
This week not possible.
Next week, Lordship, any date next week?
Next week, last part.
Second.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship, for listing of an IA for IA. Actually, this was fixed today, but somehow it didn't came in the list of today. That may be taken up tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Similar pair for listing of an IA. The matter pertains to online admission portal Darpan, and urgency is that last date of admission is, let's say, 24th of April.
Okay, tomorrow we will try.
Obliged.
My lord, prayer for listing of a matter in the admission stage, my lord. It's been more than 1 year since our base school has been changed, my lord. Our UDICE code was also cancelled. There is a lot of discrepancy regarding the entire issue. Requires some deliberation, my lord. First week of May, my lord. 2nd May. 2nd May.
Yes, Mr.
Deeply.
Varghese.
May I please, Your Lord? My lord, I beg to mention item number 5 and 6, my lord. My lord, in this case, my lord, they are supposed to file affidavit. It is also not filed, my lord. Matter may come up after 1 week.
We'll be filing today. Everything is ready. Today? Yes. Okay. On the pair being made by Mr. A. Bormia, learned counsel for the petitioner, recessal is the matter after a week.
May I please? I beg to mention item 17, Lordship.
Item
17, Lordship.
17.
In this case, this is Mr. J. Avedin. He is out of station. So may I pray let the matter come up next week, any day? If convenient.
Your good name, please?
A. Chetty, Lordship, on behalf of J. Avedin.
Mr. S. Settle, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr.
Mr.
A.
J.
Abedin, learned counsel for the petitioner, with consent from the other side. press for
Yes,
listing the
consent.
matter. You inform the other side.
Yes.
Press for listing the matter after a week. After a week.
After any date, will please. Take
Yeah.
May it please, Your Lordship, my lord, I beg to mention item number 11, Your Lordship. The matter already is in fact, Your Lordship. Other side also being aware of the facts, Your Lordship.
I am for the respondent number from my lord.
Okay.
It's become infraction.
In practice.
Yes, ma'am. I think it is.
Or Mr. A. Devan, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr.
A. Boro, my lord.
A. Bordo, learned counsel for the respondent.
Respondent 4.
Respondent number 4. It is submitted at the bar that the matter become infectious and as such the same may be closed. Here is accordingly allowed. There's a repetition stands to dispose of on week no how to dispose of withdrawal or will dismiss
Dispose of the withdrawal, Your Lordship.
dispose of on withdrawal. Okay.
May I please, Your Lord?
May I please, Your Lordship? Item number 7, my lord, this matter may be withdrawn, my lord. I may be allowed to withdraw this petition, my lord.
Which matter?
7, my lord.
7. Mr. A. Guhai, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he may be permitted and he has the instruction to withdraw this matter. Accordingly, there is allowed. WPC number so and so stands to dispose of on withdrawal.
May I please, Your Lordship? Prayer for listing, Lordship. Lordship for admission, non-payment of salary, Lordship. 24, Lordship.
Not possible. Or asking if possible.
May please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention for listing, my lord. Provincialization matter, my lord. Maybe on next week, my lord, any date.
Next week.
My lord, any date.
Similar prayer for listing, Lordship. First week of May, Lordship.
First week of
First,
yes.
Obliged.
May I please, the Lordship? My lord, I beg to mention for listing of writ petition for orders on 24th, my lord.
Right.
The matter is that the petitioner was working as an LDA at a government high secondary school, my lord. He retired in 2019, and after 2 years, my lord, the accountant general has issued a notice to him for recovery of excess payment, my lord. So, my lord,
When do you want?
to be listed for orders on 24th, 25th, 20. My lord, right.
Second one.
May I please, Your Honor? This is a contempt case, contempt civil petition filed by Ronjoy Saha, and the matter pertains to like a consent decision direction being issued by this very court, and which is not yet being executed by the respondent party.
Pardon me, sir.
I'm representing Sinmay Chaudhary, senior advocate. Sir,
Your name,
Dr. Hriday Sharma,
learned counsel for the
Ronjoy Saha, the petitioner, Lordship.
this application under section 12 of the Contempt of Court Act 1971. Read with Article 215 of the Constitution of India is preferred by the petitioner, namely Ranjay Saha, for willful and deliberate violation of the judgment and order oral dated 29/11/2024, passed by this court in WBC number 2154 of 2023. Produce the petition and the document as on record and also produce the order dated 29/11/2024. Let notice be issued to the respondents, returnable in respondents contempt order, returnable in 4 weeks, that be taken by register post with AD and also by usual process. List after 4 weeks.
Item 2.
Thank you, Lordship.
May I please, Lordship? One of the petitioners are before your Lordship, the Hindi teachers. And they were appointed in the school Lordship, elementary ME school Lordship, while the school was in venture stage. Subsequently, Lordship, under the Act of 2017, post of 3 teachers have been provincialized. That is one for science and maths, one social studies, and one language teacher. And post of Lordship, this Hindi teacher have been dropped. And a series of petition Lordship filed before this honorable court, praying for a direction to consider their post Lordship for provincialized as a Hindi teacher. And those writ petition Lordship has been disposed of by this honorable court Lordship. Lordship, I am praying Lordship for a similar direction. In fact, my friend Lordship, I think. my friend
Whether
will
that the
agree with this.
order is part of this record.
No, Lordship, I am giving that judgment, Lordship.
Furnish a copy to, madam, you go through it. After some time, then you please go through
It
it.
is not a part of record, my lord. Let notice me go, my lord.
Notice.
My lord.
No,
It is not a part of record, my lord.
Where the motion is says
Go
itself.
through it, and after some time, your Lordship may take.
My lord, in this case, my lord, para 22, my lord, this court directed the petitioner to file individual representation, my lord. Whether this petitioner has filed it or not, my lord, that instruction I do not have, my lord.
They were directed to file their individual representation. Accordingly, Lordship, we will also file individual representation in terms of that. No, no, no.
My lord,
Direction
since
was-
it is not a part of record, my lord, let not notice me go, my lord. Short notice me.
Why short notice? Lordship may take it
If,
day after tomorrow, Lordship.
My lord, day
You
after
take
tomorrow,
it.
Day after
day
tomorrow.
after tomorrow.
Okay. Heard Mr. M. Khan, learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Ms. Sutia, learned Standing Council for the
Elementary
Elementary Education Department. As spread for. This is a list the matter on development.
On 23rd. Item 4, order stay vacating, item 3.
My lord, this interim application is for staying operation of the interim order of the impugn order. The notice was issued on 25th of February. They have not yet filed that.
Mayor, Your Lordship, it's time to file a affidavit in opposition against the IA. In fact, Lordship, this IA is not maintainable because they have made a prayer in the original writ petition for interim stay of the judgment passed by the tribunal. Well, that prayer was not considered while notice was issued. Now again, they have come with the IA with a prayer for staying of the judgment. That is not maintainable. Because that prayer has already been made in the writ petition. That was not considered while notice was issued. If your lordship can
But the notice was issued.
come to the prayer, page lordship 21 in the writ petition.
Page number?
21 in the writ petition, Lord. And prayer made in the IA, page 6. Same.
You want to file objection?
My lord, I will file objection lordship to that effect.
Heard Mr. M. is Mazhar Bhuiya, learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. M. Khan, learned counsel for the opposite party. This application, interlocutor application is preferred by the petitioner for stay of operation of the impugn order dated 18/12/2024 passed by the learned additional district judge Hailakandi in Miss within bracket ET case number 1 of 01 of 2018. There is the petition in the documents that's record. And also there is the impugn order dated 18/12/2024. Mr. Khan, learned counsel for the respondent, submits that. Who is for respondent, other respondent?
Secondary education.
Ms. P. Das, learned standing counsel for the respondent number 2, 3, and 4. Mr. Khan, learned counsel for the respondent number
1.
1. Submits that he may be granted some time to file objection in this interlocutory application. There is allowed. This is a less than 1 week. 1 week.
Item 4, partner matter for admission.
Lordship. Lordship, very much appreciated in this regard, Lordship. And Lordship, as far as my concern, Lordship, so last occasion, my friend has submitted one affidavit, Lordship, taking opposition. Lordship, so here, Lordship, the Honorable Court please to direct it to the respondent number 5 to file the affidavit, Lordship. Here the director himself filed the affidavit, Lordship, and even though, Lordship, there's some documents, Lordship, some observed, Lordship. So that's why, Lordship, I'd like to file a reply against that particular affidavit, Lordship. The core part has not been mentioned, Lordship. So
Against the affidavit in opposition filed by respondent number?
Respondent number, elementary, Lordship. Director of the elementary, Lordship.
Director.
3, Lordship.
Okay.
And the
Mr. Heard Mr. Arcidas, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. Bora for respondent number
I am for the elementary education department, my lord.
For respondents in elementary education department, Mr. Gogo, you are? For respondent number? Respondent number 7. And Mr. Devi, you are for?
We are not here. We are not.
You are not a party here?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Das, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the Director Elementary Education has filed an affidavit in opposition to this petition. And he may be granted some time to file reply to the aforementioned affidavit in opposition. There is accordingly allowed president the matter after 1 week.
After 2 weeks. 2 weeks and date kindly fix lordship. Date kindly fix lordship, the part of the matter lordship.
Sorted.
Sorted. Yes, lordship. Mass or less lordship.
This is the matter as part of it.
Item 8.
In the perusal of the last order dated, your lordship.
Okay. None case for the petitioner on call. However, is he does learn it standing also for the respondent of court is present. It appears from the record that on 21/2/2025 also the petitioner remain absent. The petitioner remain unrepresented. In view of above, this court is believe that no purpose will be served by adjourning the matter to another date, and according to WPC number 7763 of 2018 stands dispose of for non-prosecution.
Item 10.
May I please the lordship. Matter pertains to my lord regularization of service, my lord. Initially, my lord, the petitioners are appointed as stipendiary teachers, but they have not paid salary. So matter came up before the Honorable High Court, other persons, my lord. Then this Honorable Court direct the government, my lord, to constitute, my lord, committee and consider their cases, my lord. That order, my lord, kindly see. Page 26, my lord.
What the respondents have filed any
Not
evidence?
filed affidavit till date. Pursuant to that order, my government issued advertisement, petitioners applied, my lord, and their particulars have been my lord, scrutinized by the scrutiny committee, my lord, and the committee has forwarded the entire records to the government, my lord. Now government has required to take a decision, my lord, in this matter, my lord, whether the service of the petitioner will be regularized or not, my lord. But government till date, no decision has been taken, my lord, in respect of petitioner. Other
Yes,
discuss.
madam, where is your affidavit?
My lord, in this case, instruction is awaited, my lord. After motion, my lord, this matter has come first time, my lord.
Maybe. It
Ma'am,
was listed on 5th of February of 2020.
my lord.
5 years ago.
My lord may take up after 2 weeks, my lord. In the meantime, I will take instruction, my lord.
Our limited period is the government may take a decision, my lord, regarding the petitioners, my lord. That is my lord, limited period.
Heard, Mr.
Yes, sir, Ahmed.
Yes, sir, Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner and Ms. Sophia for respondents in elementary education department. Ms. Sophia submits that the instructions are still awaited. Then press for listening the matter after 2 weeks. However, it is provided that recessal is the matter after 1 week. In the meantime, Ms. Sophia shall obtain necessary instruction and plus the same before which court on Wednesday. Place the matter on call.
Second May.
Item 19 also same, my lord. In that case, BTC, the BTC file affidavit, but item 19, 19. regularization of teachers, my lord. In that case, BDC file affidavit, but they say, my lord, they send that particulars to the government, my lord. Ultimately, government is required to take decision.
Okay. Heard Mr. Kaisar Ahmed, learned counsel for the PTC, and Ms. Sotia, learned standing counsel for the. Yeah, PTC is involved.
BTC already, my lord, scrutinized, my lord. They have forwarded the matters to the government, my lord. They have said in the affidavit, my lord.
Ms. Sotia, learned standing counsel for the respondent in elementary education department.
Yes.
List the matter along with item number. Item number. No, no,
Ten.
I got. Item number 10. In the meantime, Ms. Sotia shall obtain necessary instruction to the respondent authorities.
Obliged.
Item 12. Item 12.
None appears for the petitioner on call. However, Mr. Yes, we are Lord extending counsel for the higher education department present. List the matter after 2 weeks. In the event of subsequent non-appearance, appropriate order shall follow. Non-representation of the petitioners, appropriate order shall follow.
Item 13.
Made PJC Lordship, my lord. My lord, this application has been filed, my lord, for provincialization of the petitioner's school. However, my lord, by order dated 10/3/2025, submission was made on behalf of the respondent council that our recognition is doubtful and that recognition copy has been sent for forensic. What is the update? I don't know, my lord. My case was before the honorable court was that, my lord, the Dias code is necessary, 2009-10. Our Dias code is there. However, the Dias code was not uploaded in the website. My lord, management of Dias code is with the, my lord, mission director. So, why he is not uploaded? But kindly say our Dias code, my lord. Page 21. The left out Dias code. Dias 2009-10 is enclosed herewith. This is by, my lord, mission director to the director elementary education. Our Dias, my lord, page 23. Ballon per 159 serial number, page 23. Page 23, Ballon per MES, my lord, 03022202 2009-2010. This Dias code is available. Now, earlier point of time, my lord, we approached this honorable court. The honorable court, by order dated 11/9/2025, page 25, my lord, directed them to consider on the basis of available Dias. They have not considered. My lord, thereafter, however, thereafter a district level committee, scrutiny committee met, my lord, and they have clarified, page 27. And our Dias code mentioned in this, my lord, meeting, my lord, page 28, serial number 5. There is no problem with the Dias code, my lord. Only on the ground that is not reflected in the website. On that ground, they are sitting over the matter. Now, on the last occasion, they have taken the ground that our recognition is suspicious. And no affidavit to that effect has been filed. Now, my lord, since Dias code is required and which is available so far the petitioner school is concerned, and therefore, my lord, it has, my lord, 90, just 1 second, my lord, 90. As per the Act of Assam Education Provincial Service Teachers Reorganization Education Institution Act 2007, 2D, my lord, for those schools having Dias code for the year 2009-10. 2009-10, if Dias code is there, so on that ground, that cannot be deprived from provincialization. since our dias code is available, my lord, let them,
Whether your dias code was reflected in the subsequent years after 2009 and 10?
yes, my lord. Those are there. But for the year
Mr. Gogoi?
2009-10, they said this is not available.
Mr. Gogoi?
My availability is evident. I can file it within 7 days. When but one thing, my lord, now the recognition of the petitioner school is itself is doubtful. My lord. And my lord, even the forensic authorities, they have been, my lord, brought in, my lord, to have the report regarding the, my lord.
My lord, it is better let them file the affidavit. We also come to know what is the my lord, report.
Dorsey will see the infraction, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, with fake document, if they, my lord.
Yes, yes.
Trying to have a provincialization, my lord, that court will not be, my lord.
No, if that be so, if this is the correct FIR, I will get the inspection. Why should I, my lord, insist and praise this matter if that be this so, my lord? I will get the instruction also.
The highlighted part, my lord, last two paragraphs.
যদি সেইটো হয় মই কিয় মাথা মাৰি লম?
Reply দিব পাৰিব। Original information খন আছে নাই?
নিশ্চয় থাকিব মই এইটো বিচাৰিম নহয়।
Scan কৰি পেলাই original দেখাব পৰা।
And my lord, original copy must be with my client, my lord. I will get that.
Recognition, my lord, original recognition, because there it has been stated that, my lord, they furnish a scan copy. But they will have to furnish, my lord, the original copy.
Yes,
my lord.
yes.
The recognition copy is issued by the, my lord, the education department.
And comparison must be from the original one, not the scan one, my lord.
So let the education file, my lord. In the meantime, the SSA will also file the affidavit. Lordship will proceed after 2 weeks in that case. I will file it, my lord.
Mr. Piquetas, learned counsel for the petitioner. That Ms. Esmore for respondent, elementary education department.
No, 3 to 1.
Respondent number 1 to
1, 2, and 4.
1, 2, and 4.
5
And Mr. Gogoi for respondent number 5. And Deori for
3.
respondent number 3. Respondent number 3. Mr. Gogoi submits that he has received inspection and he will be filing his affidavit and press for listing the matter after 2 weeks. Fair allowed. In the meantime, Mr. Das learned counsel for the petitioner shall record the original recognition letter
Yes, yes.
by filing an additional affidavit.
My lord. My lord, the affidavit should also be filed by the education, my lord. Respondent number 2, my lord.
Yes.
He is the director. It's important, my lord.
It is further provided that respondent number 1, 2, and 4.
4.
Also file their affidavit in opposition before next step.
Mal.
This done. Okay.
15th May.
Mal.
Item 15.
Obligation.
Obligation.
But already the pleadings have been completed, my lord. And lordship, the matter is ready for my lord.
Admission.
Yes, for final disposal of the case, my lord. If not
Final
possible
disposal.
today, lordship will fix some other day so that lordship may hear the matter and pass the appropriate order to dispose of the matter. My lord. Since it's a matter related to area salary, my lord. And the person the teacher has already been retired in 31st of January 2017, my lord. And he is running after this area salary, my lord. And initially, my lord, he was the petitioner was suspended, and that honorable court, my lord, just I'm saying, my lord, that Honorable Court interfered the matter and directed the BTC authority to pay the arrear salary and the suspension, whatever the amount that was. Then accordingly it was paid, but the arrear salary has been remained, my lord. And again, I have approached this Honorable Court. Lordship, kindly have a look.
Okay, on next that we will hear you. If you are not ready today.
Lordship will fix the date on any hearing day, my lord. And short date, my lord.
Heard Mr. Secretary, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. Escoda, learned standing counsel for the respondent. All the
BTC also, all the place.
respondent authorities.
29th.
It is submitted
What
in
all
the part that
immediate?
pleadings have already been completed and the matter is ready for admission hearing. And accordingly, it is prayed that the matter may be listed after 1 week.
Lordship will
Fix a date, my lord.
fix a date.
Okay.
No, sixth.
Let it be sixth.
Sixth. All right. For final disposal, Lordship kindly.
No, on that day, we will definitely make an endeavor.
I'm sorry.
Item 15,
May I please, your lordship? On last 13/12/2023 case was listed and Mr. P.J. Fukon, Learned Counsel for the Guwahati University, took time to take instruction regarding the payment, rest of the payments, lordship, because this is regarding retirement benefits. Gratuity and leave encashment was not given to the petition.
Okay, Guwahati University. After some time, he will contact the,
Fixed, lordship, otherwise.
like, the courtmaster will contact the council.
Sure, lordship.
item 18,
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, the last order dated 15th of February. The affidavit was directed to be verified whether they had actually filed or not. And the respondents 4, 5, and 6 were directed to place on record as to how the select list was prepared, the roster points filled for those. If lordship refers to the 15th February order.
Yes, you have filed affidavit.
For higher education lordship.
Higher education affidavit ফাইল কৰিছিলে মানে আমাক কপি দিছে কিন্তু হেৰি নাছিলে ৰেকৰ্ডত নাছিলে
Lordship, whatever the timing, lordship, at present they said AR Tohbildar is the matter.
He was present here.
I could not.
Okay. After some time, let Mr.
My-
Tawilda.
my-
item 20,
That one and again. That one.
May I please, lordship, my lord? Lord, as per order dated, my lord, 13/3/2025, my lord, I was directed to produce the relevant documents, my lord, to get back the dias code of the school or not, my lord. Today I have come up with all the applications that I applied, my lord, before the concerned authorities. To get back the dias code, my lord, I may be allowed to produce those applications, my lord. Lord, the person. And in fact, the Learned Standing Council, my lord, was also directed to produce the concerned, my lord, notice whether it was served upon me, my lord. The instruction that I have received, my lord, the petitioner was never issued any notice regarding the enquiry which was caused by the, my lord, concerned, my lord, director of the elementary education, my lord. Now, on the day of inspection, my lord, one of my relative, my lord, he had died, my lord, and because of that, his death, my lord, the headmaster, he is the petitioner, and his younger brother, who is the assistant teacher of the school, both of them could not be present in the school, my lord. That I admitted on last occasion also, my lord. Lordship will kindly have a look. This is the first application pertaining to the year 2011, my lord, where I had applied, my lord, to get back the dias code, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, 2012 also, my lord, I had applied, and 13 also, my lord. Accordingly, my lord, till 2017, I had applied, my lord.
These are vernaculars. The reason of rejection of the claim of the petitioners, Praveen selection of school, has been mentioned that in the last page of the writ petition, it was shown that no enrollment on UDIS in the database maintained for the year 2016 and 17. Now,
Yes, Mr. Bora.
But here we have not received any specific instruction. I need some time, but my lord, as per the report, my lord, annexure, this page 99, my lord. Last page of the petition, which my learned friend has referred, my lord. In view of the above, the committee examined the state facts. Each of the view that the school, Doinik Podamoni Pata Company School with dice code number so and so does not fulfill the criteria as in laid down in clause 3(1)(12) of the Act 2017. This clause has to be fulfilled by the particular school, that then only can be provincial, the post of the teachers can be provincial as well.
Lordship will kindly have a look.
Let us file our affidavit, my lord. We will file-
From the annex documents, which was never disputed by the government councils, it is evidently very clear. I will take your lordship to page 85,
Let us file our affidavit, my lord.
No, my lord, they have been given 3 occasions, consecutively, my lord, they have been given time, my lord. In fact, I have a, my lord, particular, my lord, instruction, my lord, that the petitioner was never caused with any notice, my lord, regarding the inquiry, my lord. He was kept in total darkness, my lord. On the day of inspection, my lord, by the concerned deputy director, my lord, he could not be present because of the death of his, my lord, relative, my lord. Page 85, lordship will kindly have a look. This is an inspection report, my lord, pertaining to the year 2017, my lord, 5/5/2017. This was carried out by the sub-inspector of schools, Bathodra Circle, Noga, Assam, my lord. The enrollment position of the school, my lord, if we count, my lord, the total number of students, my lord, seems to be 160, my lord, in the year 2017, my lord. I fulfill all the criteria, my lord. The stand taken by the, my lord, concerned, my lord, director is absolutely wrong, my lord. It is very clear from the record, my lord, itself, my lord. And to get back the dias code, my lord, in fact, the district officer, he himself had written before the concerned authority, my lord.
My lord, this
If I may, my
report-
lord, refer to
This report, which my learned friend is relying, that is up to 1996, no? Established.
Dates.
2017.
17.
Today on 5/5/2017.
17 কথা কৈছে, 17 position এ কৈছে। My
Let
lord
us
will
bring
kindly
the
have a look at page
instructions.
96 also, my lord. How the dias code, my lord, was, my lord, stopped by the, my lord, concerned authority, my lord. Page 96 for a moment, my lord. This was a communication made by the, my lord, concerned district elementary education officer, Nogao, come district mission coordinator, SSA, Nogao, Assam. This was directed to, my lord, written to the mission director, Sarva Shiksha Vision Kailipura. In second last para, my lord, there is a specific, my lord, mentioning, my lord, that regarding the dias code may be either renewed or issued afresh, my lord, headed by the petitioner, school, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the concerned director either or the mission director of the Sarva Shiksha, my lord, he has never issued any, my lord, fresh dias code or he did not renew, my lord, the earlier dias code, my lord. I fulfill all the necessary criteria, my lord, because of the dispute along with another school, my lord. Later on, my school was found to be genuine, my lord, by all the authorities, my lord. The school could not be provincialized and the Dias code was not released by the concerned authorities, my lord. And that dispute has been mentioned in the communication itself, my lord. That my school was found to be a genuine school, my lord.
No, Mr. Bora, whether this order dated 13/3/2025 was communicated to the deputy director. You were not aware of what direction was issued by this court?
True, my lord, I'm only on 7/11/2023. There was a direction to inspect the inquiry, the school regarding.
Last this in 13/3/2023.
Well, in that, my lord, point, my lord,
Thereafter, my
I
lord,
will
the
allow
case
some
was
time to
listed.
bring instruction, my lord.
My lord, thereafter the case was listed on 20th of my lord March, my lord. Again, my lord. Again, this.
Mr. Hamad, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. Bora for respondent number
1, 2,
1, 2, 3.
1,
And
2, and
Mr.
6.
Soduri for respondent number 3 and 5. Respondent number 3 and 5. And Mr. Deuri for respondent number
Respondent 4.
4. 4. Respondent number 4. Person to direction issued by this court on 13/3/2025, Mr. Hamad, learned counsel for the petitioner, has furnished the relevant particulars furnished by the petitioner to the SSA for entering the Dias data for the year 2010, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, and 16, 17. But Mr. Bora, learned counsel for the respondent number 7, so submits that he may be granted some time to obtain instruction as to whether the deputy director who had conducted an inspection as per order of this court has issued prior notice to the petitioner about the date of inspection or not. Here is accordingly allowed, this is a list of matter.
Next Monday, my lord, she will kindly fix it on 28th, my lord.
Month of May, Lordship.
Date is a
On 7th May.
7th May. DPW.
Item 21.
Maybe, Lordship, the part head matter, Lordship, and kindly. Lordship. Kindly pay this last order dated 8 April 2025, Lordship.
Who is for the respondent?
Yes. Earlier, Mr. B. Talukdar appeared, Lordship.
Director, who is for the elementary education department?
Elementary.
Malad, here, Malad, B Talukdar is appearing Malad, after some time, Malad.
Whether he is present in the court today?
I'll inform him. Malad.
Yeah, after some time.
Yes.
22 and 23.
May I please the lordship, this is a matter relating to regulation or service of the petitioner. The last revision, this London Standing Council for the Elementary Education produced one letter. It is in the record only. Lordship, they have sent a proposal for regulation of the service of the petitioner. In terms of the order, lordship, your by order dated 21/3/2025, lordship directed the Standing Council to obtain the instruction reading how much time they require to complete the entire process. Lordship, kindly peruse the 21/3/2025 order.
Yes, Mr. Pupon, are you agreeing for elementary education department? Oh, where is the instruction? The month of March, you have been granted 2 weeks time.
My lord, can this matter be fixed after a week, my lord? I'll get my instructions, my lord. What is the current status? Because, my lord, I'm appearing for the first time in this matter. Some time may be given, my lord. I'll get my instructions, my lord, in both the cases. Because it's connected matter. Sometime, my lord, will be given. Because today, my lord, immediately reopening today.
In item number?
22 and 23.
22 and 23, my lord.
The date may be fixed, otherwise, like, it never.
Ms. Paul, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. Pupon, learned standing counsel for the respondent in elementary education department. Mr. Pupon submits that he may be granted 1 week time to obtain necessary instruction. There is accordingly allowed. Registrar will reflect the name of Mr. Pupon, learned standing counsel for the elementary education department in the course list. List the matter on. Okay.
Second week of May, lordship.
Along with WPC number 98 of 2024.
My lord. Deeply obliged.
Item 24.
Yeah, I'm appealing for the BTC, my lord.
May I please?
Hello, yeah, looking for BTC, only time for signing affidavit, this affidavit from the BTC. In the meantime, there is development, my lord, the copy of additional affidavit has been filed on 1/10/1. Copy has not been furnished to me. I have to incorporate that also in my affidavit, my lord. Let him file that particular copy. He had served it for respondent, private respondent, and the other 2 private respondent, but not to me, my lord.
Yes, copy is available with you.
Lordship,
Copy is available with you.
copy is available, Lord.
Furnish a copy.
We'll furnish it today.
Lordship will fix it after 3 weeks, but in the meantime, I will file my affidavit.
After?
3 weeks, my lord.
Heard, Mr.
Abraham, Lord.
Learned counsel for the petitioner and Mr.
I will
Vara
for respondent number 3 and 4, my lord, for BTC.
Respondent in BTC and as we are for respondent. Respondent number 1 and 2 and you.
P primary for respondent number 7.
P primary for respondent number 7 and Mr. J. J. Wang, learned counsel for the respondent number 5 and 6. Mr. Bora submits that he may be granted some time to file his affidavit in opposition. There is accordingly allowed. Registrar is the matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship, kindly date may be fixed, Lord.
After
3
weeks. After 3 weeks.
On 19th May.
Mr. Bora also submits that one additional affidavit has been filed by the petitioner and copy of the same has not been furnished to him. Accordingly, it is provided that the learned counsel for the petitioner shall furnish a copy of the additional affidavit to Mr. Bora during the course of the day. Place the matter on 19.
Item 25.
Lordship, matter relates to non-payment of pensionary dues of the petitioner's father and Lordship.
Lordship, here, I pray for some accommodation, Lordship, instruction is still awaited, Lordship. Lordship will fix after 2 weeks, Lordship, although communication has already been made. So the director has already instructed the DO to furnish the necessary instruction, Lordship. So Lordship, after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Third, Mr. L.R. Mazumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. P. N. Sarma, learned standing counsel for the
Elementary education
respondents in elementary education department. Mr. Sarma submits that he may be granted some time to obtain necessary instruction. If it is accordingly allowed, SSL is the matter on for it.
16th May.
16th of May.
Obliged.
26.
Lordship, my senior is on leg. Kindly pass over for timing.
Item 21, timing.
I'm sorry, Your Lordship, I also in another matter. Your Lordship, last occasion instructed me to produce some instruction, my lord. I have received the instruction, my lord. As per my instruction, my lord, as the petitioner is an illegal teacher, my lord. So that's why the government has stopped his salary, my lord. And what am I doing? So,
So, Mr. Ahmed, you have received salary till 2007. Is it?
March, February 2015, Lordship.
2015.
15. Yes. Pursuant to court's order, Lordship.
Then you have completed this basic training also.
Yes, Lordship.
as the petitioner completed basic training, he, as part of cabinet memorandum, he may appoint as tutor, my lord. But in the meantime, he is retired, my lord. That's why, my lord, he
No, tutor in respect of who has not completed the basic training, Lordship. In their affidavit also, I am entitled to the regulation. If I am also irregularly appointed, I am come within the purview of regular appointee, Lordship. Since I have completed in the year 2001, immediately after my appointment, basic training. From their affidavit and record, I am also entitled, if their stand is true, but I am not the tutor because I have completed prior to 2005, Lordship, the basic training. It is their, Lordship, in the record in their affidavit. It is 83 sub. আপনার affidavit. 83 sub. Affidavit আছে না? টিউটৰৰ কথা লিখি আছে, মই টিউটৰক নকৰোঁ।
এইটোতো এখনতো ফাইল কৰিছোৱে।
So, Mr. Talukdar,
My lord,
three lists were prepared. List 1, list 2, list 3. In which list his name appears?
number 2, my lord,
Not discontinued.
the teacher who have received salary up to 2007 and onward for not having Z, BL, BL, BLED are included in this number. Very natural. BLED is
Basic training.
basic training.
The basic training given to DLED. DLED comes subsequently. Earlier it was basic training, now DLED.
Whether the lists are available with you?
Yes, for this instruction, my lord, screening report is not available, my lord. At least may be available, my lord. I will inform you. My lord.
I want to take lordship for a moment. Page 83 of their affidavit, lordship. Page 83. This is cabinet report, lordship. Page 83.
It is reflected in this instruction, my lord. At least 1, 2, and 3.
Page 83, last two para, lordship. And it's a cabinet approval sought as one-time exceptional measure for the following. Approval sought for accommodating those teachers who have received salary up to 2007 and have successfully completed junior basic training DLED course by creating personal supernumerary post with prospective effect from the date of approval of the cabinet. Those posts will cease to exist as and when the incumbent retires from the service. So, lordship, in this case, I am coming in the purview category, lordship. I have completed my passed my B.Ed in 2001, lordship, a DLED basic training, lordship, and I have also received salary pursuant to the court's order till February 2015, lordship. And
You
that
have completed basic training in the year 2001.
yes, lordship.
2001. And you received salary up to 2015.
15, that to pursuant court's order. And supernumerary post was created, lordship. It is there, lordship, and kindly see the pursuant to the court's order, the supernumerary post were created. That will lordship find in my read petition. Page 58. Page 58. Page 58, subject, lordship, there is letter dated 19th May 2015. Creation of 20 number supernumerary post in respect of so and so, these are case number, different persons. And my case number is serial number 15, lordship. My name, serial number 15, Torun Gogoi, lordship. And my WBC was 188/2013, lordship. So I have received salary 28 February 2015, lordship. Thereafter, no salary. And they have, the screening committee, many things they have done. I have submitted the application. So in the event I have retired, lordship. The assurance was given, they will consider my case, lordship. But nothing has happened. I have, in the event I have retired from service. My area salary from March 2015 to till retirement, and now.
So, Mr. Talukdar,
My lord,
why should not we pass any order in favor of the petitioner based on these documents?
because my lord, in this instruction, my lord, second page, my lord, paragraph 4. As the petitioner was Further, the Director of Parliamentary Rules and Authority has already submitted an affidavit in the above mentioned paragraph. The Director of Parliamentary stated that the petitioner was illegally appointed by the Deputy Inspector of School without any selection process and against a non-existing post in contravention of the Assam Elementary.
No. Page number 58, this annexure 12. Supernumerary posts were created.
In part,
Till retirement.
earlier court order, my lord. That
That is not challenged and reviewed by them also, Lordship. Lordship's order
creation of
reflected-
20 in respect of so and so. Sibsagar district in connection of contempt C number 530 of 2014 and WBC in pursuant of this court order, my lord, this post has been created and given salary up to March 15, my lord.
February.
But subsequently, my lord, when the screening committee was constituted, my lord, then found that he is illegal and irregular teacher, my lord, so his salary.
No,
Open mic.
as per the cabinet decision
Yes.
also, he is entitled to.
Page 79, Lordship.
Page?
79, it starts cabinet decision, it starts from page 79. Page 79. Subject, Lordship. Regularization of illegally appointed teachers of lower primary and upper primary schools by creating supernumerary posts. Maybe I'm illegal or regular. They are now saying these things illegal or regular, whatever, maybe irregular or illegal, Lordship. I am come within the purview of this decision, Lordship. Now they have their affidavit and their instruction is not match, Lordship, which is that. Cabinet, I think the instruction has been sent without producing the records. Only I make a formality to send it.
So
Honorable.
Lordship may allow me, I to file, to bring on record this instruction, my lord, by filing an additional affidavit, my lord. দি দিলে ভাল হয় আৰু ৰেকৰ্ডত থাকি যাব তাৰপিছত বেছ কৰি কোৰ্টে অৰ্ডাৰ দিয়ে কৈছো
Heard Mr. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. Talukdar, learned
standing counsel elementary
for the respondent in elementary education department. Mr. Talukdar submits that he has received written instruction from the Joint Secretary to the Governor of Assam Department of School Education. Then he may be granted some time to file. No, to bring on record the said instruction by filing an affidavit. Here is according to the law, necessary. Place the matter on for it. Sorry. 16th May. 16th, as partner. And Mr. Sarma for respondent number 5.
Spartan methodology.
Yes, this is a matter as partner.
Driving item 18.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. My learned friend informs me that the state's affidavit is on record, my lord. But the later part of the order dated 15 February, my lord, the roster points and as to how the selection process, my lord, culminated in appointment of the other appointees of the other selected persons. That instruction was sought for from the college.
College is, as per last order, my lord, college is supposed to bring some instruction. Otherwise, our affidavit is there.
Your affidavit is there. Whether it will serve the purpose?
Yes, madam.
Yes, Mr. Bora.
Lordship will excuse me for 2 days, Lordship. Lordship will give me 2 days time. I'll bring the necessary instruction. It's the reopening day therefore.
You for respondent number?
Respondent number 456. 456.
456. For Mr. P.D. Nair, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. S. Das, learned standing counsel for the respondents in higher education department. And Mr. Bora for respondent number 4, 5, and 6. Mr. Bora submits that he may be granted 2 days time to obtain instruction and to file affidavit in opposition. There is allowed, rest shall list the matter on 25th. 25th April.
Instruction and affidavit, Lordship.
Instruction and affidavit.
Deeply obliged. Well, there's an interim order. There's an interim order in my favor.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue.
Deeply obliged.
For bail hearing, 27 and 46.
My lord, in item number 27, my lord. That is, my lord, on earlier occasion, my lord was pleased to, my lord, call the entire case diary, my lord. Because, my lord, in the, my lord, the record, my lord, that is the case diary is not available, my lord. I have gone through the, my lord, office note, my lord, which reflects, my lord, the entire case diary is not received, my lord. Awaited, my lord.
And what instruction you have received?
My lord,
from the
instruction, I have, my lord, taken the telephonic instruction from the OC concerned, my lord. As because, my lord, this is, my lord, certificate matter. They have said that, my lord, all the particular documents what is available, my lord. They have, my lord, that is submitted before the learned court below, my lord. Entire part, my lord. And, my lord, regarding that communications, my lord, though, my lord, entire CD is not available, my lord. Entire CD is not available, but some documents, but my learned friend has, my lord, annexed. That was, my lord, on earlier occasion also, my lord, I have submitted, my lord. Those parts I get, my lord, but entire CD is, my lord, required to find out everything, my lord. That is everything. My lord. Otherwise, I have flag mark, my lord, in item number 27, and, my lord, in case of item number 46 also, my lord, that is also arising out of the same FIR. Only the contention is that, my lord, in item number 27, the accused petitioner, who is a driver, my lord, from whose possession, my lord, from that, my lord, that is the vehicle, my lord, that is the contrabands were recovered. And, my lord, on the basis of the, my lord, interrogation statement of that, my lord, the accused petitioner, item number 27, item number 46, said that for this person, he is carrying the thing. So that is the case, my lord.
Let us CD come.
May I submit, Lordship? Lordship, so far as the ground of arrest is concerned, Lordship, I have obtained the certified copy, and Lordship, I have filed one additional affidavit. Lordship, may kindly take up my additional affidavit, Lordship. Page number 65, Lordship.
Yes.
Page number 65, Lordship. This is the arrest memo. Name of the petitioner is, Lordship, Abul Khair Mohammed Siddiq, 22 years. Date of arrest is this, signature of the witness, then signature of the arrestee, name of the police officer. Now, Lordship, may kindly come to the next page. Page number 66. This is the notice issued under section 50 of CRPC, Lordship. The name of the petitioner is there, Lordship, Abul Khair Mohammed Siddiq. You are hereby informed that you have been put under arrest in connection with the above reference case, and you will be produced before the Honorable Chief Judicial Magistrate Court, Karimganj today on so and so in connection with the same case, since you are not enlarged on bail from Karimganj PS, as the sections of this case are non-bailable to the police. You may proceed so and so, so and so. So, Lordship, in the arrest memo, Lordship, as well as, Lordship, notice issued under section 50 of CRPC, Lordship, the ground of arrest, Lordship, has not been mentioned, Lordship, and those were not informed to the petitioner. And, Lordship, these two documents, Lordship, is available there with the case record also, Lordship. My learned friend has already flag marked those also, Lordship. Lordship, may kindly peruse the LCR, Lordship, which has already been received.
Mr. Ahmed, let the city come.
My
let
lord,
him go through the.
my lord,
My lord, so far my instructions are concerned, lordship. Perhaps, lordship, the case diary has already been received, lordship.
Where?
By the registry, lordship.
When?
Today, lordship.
No, but there is an office note
my lord.
that
Lordship, may kindly take up the matter at 2, lordship. So that, lordship, my learned friend can get the instruction as to whether the case diary has been received or not, lordship. Only for that purpose,
No,
lordship.
it's from registry. How can I pay?
খবর লোগো করেন কালে আমি হিয়ারিং করি মোবাইল খবর তো লোগো ওকে বাচ্চাটা তো খবর করতে হবে
no, even we receive the case diary today, perhaps Mr. Bosso will not be able to go through
Yes,
the
lordship.
entire
In that
case
case, lordship, matter can be heard tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Yes, lordship, tomorrow. And lordship,
No,
moreover,
but
lordship,
first we have to ascertain whether the resi has
yes, lordship,
received
for that,
the
lordship,
case
lordship,
diary or-
take up the matter at 2. Thereafter, lordship may hear the matter tomorrow. And lordship, apart from that, lordship, the only way by which the ground of arrest can be communicated to the accused person is, lordship, notice under section 50 of the CRPC. That I have already annexed, lordship.
No, that's all right. That is there. But let him go through the case diary.
Yes, lordship, may
Maybe
kindly
it's
take up
forwarded
the-
to my lord.
See, fair opportunity has to be afforded to both the parties.
Yes.
And what is there, it is already there. If it is not there, it is not.
Yes,
My
lordship.
He cannot improve his.
Yes,
My lord.
And in
Yeah.
fact, in the forwarding report also, they have mentioned what document they have sent along with the accused lordship. And there is no mention about grounds of arrest lordship. In the forwarding report, your lordship will find. So even if it is in the case diary, they cannot rely it on now. That
Now.
is yes, because it has to be communicated. If it is in the case diary, they have prepared it, that it will not suffice lordship. They have to communicate immediately. on
Mr. Ahmed,
lordship.
that ground has to be communicated on the very date of age.
Yes, at the time of arrest.
Yes.
Even if one Delhi High Court judgment is there.
Now they cannot incorporate the same in
Incorporate the same. That is what I am submitting. In the forwarding report, they have not mentioned about communicating the grounds of arrest.
Okay. Section. Right. Today, as a last size item, we will take it.
Lordship.
Yes.
In the meantime, court master will contact the district.
Lordship. Obliged.
Highly obliged.
28.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, this is charge sheeted case, my lord. There are, my lord, already 8.
So, this matter was earlier
Yes,
taken
my
up
lord.
by
It
another.
was
bench.
rejected by
My
the
lord.
coordinate bench.
Yes, so will director
Why
to
and
list
how?
the matter before appropriate bench.
My
Lord, heard Mr. Ahmed, learned counsel for the accused, and also heard Mr. Boyso, learned standing counsel, learned additional people for the respondent. State respondent. Places shall list this matter before appropriate bench.
My lord, tomorrow, my lord. Let it come tomorrow, my lord.
That direction we cannot issue, registry will decide.
47.
Oblige me.
Maybe. This is the bail petition, second bail petition, earlier on rejected by your lordship, and there only I have an next minute, earlier on. And notice Miller, we have taken a step on number 2. And our last time, Miller, learned friend submitted that the POXO is not attracted. That is, also I have some Miller
No, I am not
mentioned in the
submitting
order.
My lord, item numbers 47, my lord. On that day, my lord, earlier occasion, my lord was pleased to, my lord, direct my lord, regarding the service of notice to the, my lord, that is the informant. And I have taken the telephonic instruction, my lord, that has already been made. It is, my lord.
Sir.
Already served, my lord. Only one thing is that, my lord, they have sent the scan copy of the service copy. Where they have stated, my lord, as because the informant, who is a, my lord, now working outside of the state, my lord. Because of that, they are not able to serve on him, but to one of his relative, and by over telephone, they have informed the person regarding the service. My lord, in the next page, my lord, they have stated.
Legal aid counsel may be not allowed. On. It is working. It is only on the internet.
Yes, you have gone through the scanned copy of the record
No, my lord, then legally it may be appointed, my lord, today, as because the,
for the informant.
for the informant, my lord.
Heard Mr. Rosit learned from for the applicant. And Mr. Osho learned additional for the acceptable. Mr. Osho has produced a report from the IO concerned regarding service of notice of the respondent. Now, upon the informant. But the informant remain unrepresented today. Accordingly, it is provided that RESTCL engage. Legally. Mr. A. Biswas as a legal aid counsel to represent the informant. Register shall reflect the name of Mr. Biswas in the court list and in the court list, and also furnish the relevant papers to him well in advance and list the matter on
29 April. Can it be? 29 April. Same or
29.
Okay, for what?
Item for hearing under order 41, rule to secrecy 29.
So as per directions, I have produced judgment dated 6/6/2011 by way of an affidavit.
My lord,
This
they
may
have
not be
furnished
on
the
record.
affidavit today, just half an hour before, my lord. I have to go through the judgment, my lord. And perhaps that is also not in the record, court record, my lord.
Affidavit.
Yes, my lord. It's in the-
Yes, on the last occasion, your lordship was directed to produce the judgment by way of an affidavit. So we have submitted.
Next Monday then?
My lord.
Next Monday.
No, my lord, on the 24th, the date in the execution proceeding, and we will be dispossessed and dismissed.
When?
My lord, the
On the
execution
24th.
case is pending since 2015, my lord, and they are delaying the matter. And in
I'm
the
not
second appeal
delaying.
also, they had not made any application for stay, my lord.
If my case has no merit, your lordship can dismiss it, but so
No.
your lordship has to examine.
Affidavit filed by you is not before this court now.
Yes.
Then he has received it today.
Yes, so tomorrow,
Yeah.
maybe, tomorrow.
No, tomorrow.
So otherwise-
we have already fixed a lot of matters.
Otherwise, this matter will become infractuous. It is an application filed under Rule 97 and Order 21, which requires that
If your
we would be in
lordship sees the
possession.
order of the court below, my lord,
Let
they have,
me- let me-
the learned court had duly made the reasons before rejecting their application, my lord.
Yes,
How they have
that's
delayed
why
the
I'm
matter since
before your lordship.
2015, my lord.
I have this remedy, my lord. And if I am dispossessed, then order 21, Rule 97 won't apply.
Okay, on Thursday,
My lord.
next Thursday.
Thursday is. My lord, 24th, I am going to be dispossessed, my lord.
How?
It is the date for execution of the warrant, my lord. So on tomorrow or the day after.
Is it correct position?
Next date is fixed on 24th, my lord.
24th.
24th.
So tomorrow or the day after tomorrow.
Day after
Day
tomorrow, my
after
lord.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
Day
My
after
lord.
tomorrow. Heard Mr. O. Losford, learned counsel for the appellant, then also heard Mr.
P. Bora.
P. Bora, learned counsel for the respondent. Mr. Bora submits that he has received the affidavit filed by the appellant today morning, and he prays for granting him some time to go through the same. There is a lot less day after tomorrow.
Deeply obliged.
My lord, I filed an IA, this IA may also be listed together. IA for stay.
When did you file?
It is filed on 9th.
On the 9/4/2025. Filed the IA.
I have not received the
The
copy.
counsel for the appellant also submits that he had filed one IA also, but the same has not been listed before this court. Accordingly, it is provided that rest shall list the IA. What is the number?
IA is not numbered, my lord, but I have the receipt.
That
There
may
are
be
e-filing number, it's a long
That
number.
may be filing number.
Yes, there is an e-filing number.
Rest shall also list the IA along with the RSN number 39/2025 on 30 after tomorrow.
Lordship will see that I was appointed on 7/4/94 and I joined 8/4/94, my lord. I am claiming seniority with effect from 8/4/94. Now, my lordship may see first order, my lord, my appointment letter is at page, my lord, 18, my lord. Jatendra Dekha is hereby appointed temporarily until further order for a period of 3 months till the recommendation of the district level selection board, Nalbari, whichever is earlier, as a Hindi teacher in Karia High School. So, my lord, on a basic pay, my lord, this given, my lord, on 7th April 94, but I joined 8/4 on the very next day, my lord. Then my service was page 20, my lord, missing. The appointment wide office order dated 7/4/94 in respect of Jatendra Dekha, senior Hindi teacher of Karia High School, who has been serving since 8/4/94, is hereby extended until further orders, my lord. Yes, subsequently, my lord, at page 22, that post is abolished, my lord, and I have been adjusted in the post of the allotted to the high school out of the, on a basic pay, lordship said that is a graduate pay scale, my lord. This is a adjustment order, my lord. I was adjusted. I'm reading it, my lord. In person to government letter number so and so, the post of Hindi teacher allotted to Karia High School out of post created by order letter number so and so dated 91 is abolished with effect from 1/4/97. Shri Jatendra Rai, Hindi teacher of Karia High School, is hereby adjusted in the post allotted to the school out of the post of Hindi teachers created under government so and so in the scale of pay 1375. This is a, my lord, I will establish, my lord, is a graduate pay scale, my lord, and plus allowances as admissible under so and so. So therefore, now the authority has decided my regularization, my lord. Lordship may see page 25, my next order, my lord. Order in persons to government letter number so and so. The service of the following teachers whose posts were created by government letter number so and so are hereby regularized with effect from the date of getting their regular time scale of pay, my lord. Now, I question, my lord, the seniority over others above me, my lord, which was decided by the court, my lord, in the in Assam Administrative Tribunal. That is, judgment is at page 28, my lord. So there, my lord, the so there, the authority has left to the director, my lord, to decide it within 45 days. Last part of the order may see, my lord, lordship, page 40, para 33, my lord. Since I'm reading the last paragraph, 33, my lord. Page 40. Since the Assam Administrative Tribunal by its judgment dated 2010-2001 directed the DSC Assam to determine the seniority of the petitioner with the respondent before, and that the representation of the petitioner dated 6/7/2015 submitted before the DSC Assam is yet to be disposed of by the DSC Assam following the law laid down in the by this court time to time adhering to the decision, particularly with regard to the relevant circular whereby seniority grade 3 and grade 4 employees in provincialized secondary schools were upgraded to the post of assistant teacher, as well as government notification dated 30/12/93, whereby the graduate scale of pay was granted to an assistant teacher being a graduate being serving in the intermediate scale of pay shall be disposed of by the representation of the petitioner within a period of 45 days and shall submit the report by filing an affidavit in this so and so 60 days, my lord. Then I've made my representation. Finally, the order was passed, which is at page 43. My lord, now the issue is that, my lord, I have my lordship may see this order last part, my lord.
So this is the impugn order.
This is the impugn order. Yes, impugn order, my lord. The last part, my lord, lordship may see page 45, my lord. That where my seniority has been decided from 1/4/97 instead 8/4/94, my lord. That is the question now before this court, my lord. Considering the date of adjustment, lordship got it? Considering the date of adjustment in the regular sanction post from that of the centrally sponsored scheme, the seniority of the Jitendra Deka assistant teacher Hindi of Karia High School is to be considered in the school with effect from 1/4/1997. Thus, the representation dated 5/7/2015 submitted by Shri Jitendra Deka, assistant teacher of Kerala High School, Nalbari, is disposed of. Now, the question is that whether it would be 1/4/97, but I'm claiming I should be regularized from, my lord. Seniority should be decided with effect from 8/4/94, the date of my first appointment, my lord. Because
no, your service has been adjusted in another school.
No, same school. Same school.
Same school.
Same school. Lordship may see that order, man. Again, I'm taking your lordship. Lordship may see that order is at page 22, my lord. Adjustment, that is. Page 22, my lord. May I read, my lord?
Yes.
In pursuance to government letter number so and so dated 10/3/98, the post of Hindi teachers allotted to Karia High School out of the post created by government letter so and so dated 16/11/91 is abolished with effect from 1/4/97. Shri so and so Hindi teacher of Karia High School is hereby adjusted in the post allotted to the school out of the post of Hindi teachers created under so and so on the pay scale of so and so. So it is the same school. He has been adjusted.
You are claiming from who is that?
That is 8/4/94, the date of joining. I have been appointed first, my lord, on 7/4/94. Next day I have joined, my lord.
That post was abolished.
That post was abolished, but my service is continuous service, my lord. I have not been, my lord, what did you say, my lord? My appointment has not been cancelled. It is that centrally sponsored scheme, they are saying that that post has been abolished under that scheme, my lord. Now I am continuing the same school, that is a regular appointment, but my seniority I am counting from 94, my lord. I'll place the law also, my lord. So this is the case now, my lord. Thereafter, now your lordship, see, I have enclosed my that is service book, my lord, which is page 54. Lordship may be seen, my lord. Service book, this starts from page 51, my lord, annexure 13. That is Karia High School, my lord. And lordship may see the.
But this is not a legible copy.
Oh, I'm reading it, my lord, but I try to read, my lord. First push only one thing, my lord, that my scale of pay and my date of joining, my lord. This will establish, my lord. Sri Jatendra Nath Deka allowed his join as assistant Hindi teacher, white so and so, so and so. Then lordship may see scale of pay of 1375 and date of joining, that is first is 8494. Only this much, my lord, I want to show, my lord, that since 8494 with a pay scale of 1375.
So date of joining is reflected as 7th of April.
7th of April, I've joined in 84, my lord. That's why 84. First line, my lord. My appointment is 7494, but I've joined 8494, my lord. That's first, but that entry, my lord. 137.
8494.
Yes, my lord. That is my date of joining in the school, my lord. Huh? So, my lord, that much. Now, my lord, in page 61 may be seen, my lord. Under similar circumstances, my lord, one incumbent, my lord, he has been adjusted. Your lordship, see this order I have in annexed, my lord, annexure 14. But the affidavit the government has filed it, they have not said anything about page 61, my lord. I'm reading it, my lord. In pursuance to government letter number so and so, service of Shri Satyendra Sarkar, Hindi teacher, business issue, Kalyan High School, Bijani appointed white so and so and adjusted white so and so, 22/8/19 is hereby regularized with effect from his date of joining. So he has been considered from the date of joining.
So in which paragraph of your affidavit, no, of your petition, you have averred this about this?
Yes,
page 61.
Yes, my lord.
Paragraph number?
I'm coming, my lord. I'm coming. My lordship may see. Para, my lord, 17. Page 12, my lord.
17.
Page 12. That the petitioner most humbly begs to state that on the same issue, same appointment, selection and regularization at that same time, another incumbent, namely Satyendra Sarkar Hindi teacher, has given his graduate scale of date of joining. That is, I've engaged that.
So how this paragraph has been?
No, they have not answered to that. They have filed a affidavit, my lord, by stating the fact, but they have not. Paravas reply they have not given, my lord. Well,
Okay.
they should, if they furnish the instruction
Yes,
tomorrow.
yes, Mr. Sharma. What is your stand on this point?
Although in
Para 5 and 6 is important, my lord. Page 65, my lord. Para 5 and para 6. They have not stated.
although I know in our affidavit it is not stated, but here we have stated that he has regularized the service. His service was regularized from 1/4/1997, and so on a scale of a regular scale of pay also given him to 1/4/1997. And here, my lord, in this matter, that incumbent was regularized
Sharma.
with effect from the date of joining.
Mr.
But
Sharma, what happened to his earlier period of service?
that was, my lord, that appointment was ad hoc basis, my lord. Here, my lord, we have stated in this affidavit order.
In their affidavit, para 5 and para 6.
Now, para 6. The Deputy Assembly begs to state that though petitioner Jatindranath Deka was working as assistant teacher Hindi in a regular scale of pay prior to 1/4/1997 on ad hoc basis under centrally sponsored scheme. After abolition of the post of Hindi teacher, centrally sponsored scheme allotted to Korea HS School, the petitioner Sri Jatindranath Deka was adjusted against a regular vacant post of the in the scale of pay with effect from 1/4/1997 by this office order dated 22/5/1998, and hence the seniority in the Korea HS school should be counted with effect from 1/4/1997.
They have not stated is a common general affidavit, my lord, but they have not commented on the
Paragraph number 70.
my lord. And now, my lord, if lordship will see what is the rule, my lord. I'll place the educational manual, my lord. If you lordship go by 1982 rules, my lord, that
Page number.
in this book, my lord, yes, page number 790, my lord. First, I will take the definition of, my lord, grade 4, my lord, graduate teacher. Page 793.
790.
790 and page 793 is the graduate teacher, my lord. The lordship see grade 4, my lord. May I read the definition, my lord? The graduate teacher has been defined, my lord. That is page 793. Now, graduate teacher of higher secondary and multipurpose school of high school, high madrasa, and senior classical teacher or senior Hindi teacher having bachelor degree as general qualification, only the category shown at serial number 4 of schedule 2 hereby is called the graduate teacher, only non-gazette, my lord. Now, lordship made the seniority is counted at page 802, my lord. Inter-se seniority, my lord. Number 1, my lord, lordship may see seniority. Rule 13, my lord. That is. Rule 13.
Yes.
The inter-se seniority of the existing employees in the respective cadre shall be determined in relation to the date of continuous appointment, date of joining, date of birth. So, my lord, I'm in continuous appointment. I have not been terminated, my lord. When the scheme is not there, but I have been regularly appointed thereafter, my lord, and the date of joining, my lord. This is the 2 criteria. And very most importantly, my lord, lordship may come to page 805, my lord.
Page
805, my lord. The schedule 1 is given, my lord. This schedule, the graduate teacher, my lord, the pay scale has been given here, my lord. Graduate teacher, lordship got it column number 8, my lord. So lordship will see the graduate teacher of higher secondary and multipurpose school on the grade 4, that is the cadre, and scale of pay, my lord, 1375. As I've shown, my lord, from the record, my lord, from my service book, that graduate teacher, my lord, I was from the day 1, I was getting 1375 pay scale, my lord. So I've been now after the rule got amended, my lord, then rule 2003 has been formulated, my lord. There also, my lord. There also, my rule 24 is that, my lord, page number, my lord. This is 2363, my lord. 2003 rules, my lord. This amended, my lord. Then seniority has been defined, my lord, around 380.
Page number.
Page number 38. First, my lord, page 363, my lord. 363.
Yes.
Then, my lord, page 382, that seniority has been stated to be rule 24, my lord.
Yes.
Here is also the seniority of a member in a cadre appointed by direct recruitment shall be determined in accordance with the order of preference in the respective select list, finally approved by the appointing authority under Rule 77 in respect of postgraduate teacher skill and Rule 89 in respect of graduate teacher if he joins the appointment within 15 days. So it is the date of joining, my lord, what I am to press, my lord. Then 2018 rules may be seen, my lord, subsequently amended, and finally 2018 rules, page 18, my lord.
Yes.
Huh? What is it? Achha. 2000. My lord, one thing I missed it, my lord. Lordship may see 2003 rules, my lord, which starts from page 363. Rule 24, 24(3) may be seen, my lord. Rule 24(3) may be seen, my lord. Page, my lord, 382. 24(3), my lord. The seniority, my lord, lordship got it. Page 382, 383 is the relevant portion. Rule 24 is the seniority, my lord. 24(3) lordship may see, my lord. At page 383, my lord. The seniority of a member of a service in a cadre who joins in a school otherwise than by a direct recruitment, that is on the transfer or otherwise, shall be determined as per the date of joining in the school in the concerned cadre. So, my lord, it's from the date of joining, my lord. And if a member joins in a school through transfer from the other school, the seniority shall be determined from the date of his joining in the said school in the concerned cadre. Of seniority in earlier school or in the same school in the different cadre shall not be taken into account. So that is different, my lord. But it's a date of joining, seniority will be calculated, my lord. And 2008, 2018 rule, my lord, which starts from page 18, my lord. Seniority may be seen, my lord. That is page 41, my lord. My lord, seniority, my lord.
Yes.
Now next page, my lord. 2 may be seen, my lord. If a member, next page, my lord, 42, my lord. Rule 2, my lord. Sub rule 2. If a member of a service in a cadre fails to join the appointment within the initial 15 days of receipt of the order of appointment or within the extended period as mentioned in the Rule 19, but joins later, his seniority shall be determined in accordance with date of joining, my lord. Then 5 may be seen, my lord. Sub rule 5 may be seen. In case of amalgamation, that is in case of amalgamation, ME, MB, LP school with other higher secondary school, high school under the scheme Shiksha Kshetra, the employees of the amalgamated school shall be given seniority with effect on the date of joining or substantive application of regularization. Now, proviso may be seen, my lord. Most important, provided that in case of graduate teachers, the seniority shall be counted from the date of getting salaries meant for a graduate teacher, my lord. So, my lord, it is from the date of receiving graduate scale, my lord, which I've shown it already, my lord, that he is receiving the graduate scale from the day 1, my lord.
My lord,
1494.
And the last paragraph, kindly see, my lord, provided further that in case of contractual teachers, and he is not
a contractual teacher.
Our incumbent is the ad hoc appointee. The seniority shall be counted from the date of absorption in the sanctioned post carrying regular time scale of pay. So regular time scale of
Whether
pay
he
is
was
important.
a contractual employee.
No, he was an ad hoc appointee.
Whether ad hoc employee and contractual
No,
employee
no,
are same.
no, these are different.
Then
Both are different.
how can you apply this rule? Apply this proviso to him?
But earlier he was not
Now,
regularized.
Lordship, I will place two judgments, my lord. My,
Yes.
photocopy, yeah, this. First, my Bilat Ali, my lord, versus State of Assam and others. Para 10, my lord. Mohammed Bilat Ali, my lord. Paragraph 10, my lord. It is also seen that, para 10, my lord.
Yes.
It is also seen that as per provision of Sub-Rule 1, Rule 14 of the said 2018 rules, it is provided that seniority of a graduate teacher shall be determined from the date of receiving graduate scale of pay by the respective assistant teacher. Therefore, by reading Proviso Sub-Rule 5, page 79, Rule 35, together with the Sub-Rule 1 of Rule 14 of the said 2018 rules, the court is of the considered opinion that the learned counsel for the respondent number 4 has been able to successfully demonstrate that the respondent number 4 had undergone a selection process by the sub-division level advisory board for elementary education Gwalpara, and he was appointed as science graduate teachers maths and posted in the Sutarpara so-and-so ME school, and that the appointment order dated 9/1/92 clearly indicates that the name of a respondent for appears in serial number 40 and that the post where the appointment were made thereunder was created by government sanction dated so and so. But in this case also, it was a sanction post, my lord, because that appointment letter, if your lordship, just for a moment, my lord, I can show it, my lord, that his regular appointment, my lord.
But subsequently the post was abolished.
Yes, very correct, my lord. But his earlier service cannot be wiped up, my lord.
For pensionary purpose, that cannot be wiped out, but for determining the seniority, whether that will be counted or not, that is the question before the court.
Lordship may see that appointment letter, that page 18, last 3 lines, my lord. Another allowance is admissible under the rules with effect from the date of his joining against the newly sanctioned post. So his service cannot be wiped out. That one I want to impress your lordship. Now, para 11, my lord, may be seen, my lord, judgment, my lord. Para 11, para 10, I've read, my lord. Para 11, on a pointed query, the court of the learned standing council for the secondary education department had fairly submitted that in view of Proviso Rule 1, Rule 14, read with Sub-Rule 5 of the Rule 24 of the 2018 rules, that date of joining is not so much material for determining seniority as the date on which graduate scale of pay is received. So the receiving of the graduate pay scale finds a, my lord, place in the rule, my lord. So here in this case, he was receiving the graduate pay scale from the day 1, my lord. So next judgment, my lord. Lordship may see. Rule 14 may be seen, para, my lord, 13. 14, para 14, my lord.
Yes.
Para 14, Rule 14 of the rules provided recruitment to the post of headmaster, superintendent, and procedure thereof, and under Rule 41 simply as follows. The post of headmaster of a school and superintendent of a high madrasa shall be filled up by promotion from the candidates amongst the graduate teachers as per district-wise seniority list on the recommendation of the district selection committee constituted under Rule 16(2). The selection of headmaster and superintendent shall be based upon seniority and satisfactory annual confidential report of the last 3 consecutive years as per procedure. Now, proviso may be seen, madam, provided that the seniority of graduate teacher shall be determined from the date of receiving graduate scale of pay by the respective assistant teachers. Now, again, para 15, my lord, then para 15, proviso may be seen, my lord, next page, my lord. Para 15, next page, my lord, seen, my lord, B, after B, my lord. Provided that the graduate teacher shall be included in the cadre assistant headmaster for the purpose of selection to the post of headmaster, and the seniority of the assistant headmaster shall be counted from the date of joining of the as graduate teacher with graduate respective scale. So date of joining and receiving the graduate placement. So that is the law, my lord. So I am questioning, in fact, my lord, the last, my lord, the list was prepared by the, my lord, sir, photo day. I just received it, my lord. This is my lord, list of teachers, graduate and postgraduate of Karia High School, secondary school, as per the date of joining. Now, lordship may see here also serial number 3, my lord, Jatindranath Deka, general, the postgraduate, that is date of joining is 8 April 1994, my lord. And the gradation list also, my lord, I have annexed, my lord. Lordship may see in my writ petition, page 49. It starts from page 48, my lord. Office of the Inspector of Schools, Nalbari District, so-and-so, Government of Assam. Page 49, serial number, my lord. Serial number 276.
77.
So there also graduate teacher, my lord, from 94, my lord, 8494. But a similar person like me had got the advantage of date of joining. Then when that's why I prayed that, my lord, same relief. I should also be entitled, my lord. And there is no explanation from them, my lord, that why he has been considered one, I have not been considered, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Soma.
My lord, regarding that part, I have to take instruction that why he has not regularized and he has regularized as my learned friend submit, my lord. Here, other of my lord, in our affidavit and paragraph 4, my lord, that the petitioner Jatindranath Deka was appointed as an assistant Hindi teacher for a period of 3 months under the centrally sponsored scheme in the scale of so-and-so per month, plus other allowances as admissible as per rules with effect from date of joining against the post sanction by government so-and-so dated 16/11/1991, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, by office letter number so-and-so dated 12/1/1993 and the allotted to the high school by the inspector of school by the order dated so-and-so. Memo number dated 7/4/19. Accordingly, he joined at Korea High School 8/4/1994. And subsequent period of the appointment, Sri Jatindranath Deka was extended until further order by the inspector of school. And he was time to time extended, my lord, for his service. And thereafter, my lord, in para number 5, in pursuance to government letter dated so-and-so 10/3/1998, the post of Hindi teacher allotted to Korea High School as per government sanction number so-and-so dated 16/11/1991 was abolished with effect from 1/4/1997, and the petitioner Jatindranath Deka, Hindi teacher, Korea High School, was adjusted in a post allotted to the school against the post of Hindi teacher, which was created by government letter number so-and-so dated 27/3/1998 in a scale of pay 1375 to 3375 per month, plus other allowances as admissible under rules with effect from 1/4/1997. Thereafter, madam, in our affidavit in paragraph C, it is stated that the petitioner working as an assistant teacher in the regular scale of pay to 1/4 prior to 1/4/1997 on an ad hoc basis, my lord, under centrally sponsored scheme for the post of Hindi teacher and alluded to Korea High School. And the petitioner was adjusted against the regular vacant post in a scale of pay with effect from 1/4/1997, died office order dated 22/5/1998. And so, my lord, department has stated here that and that his seniority may be counted as 1/4/1997.
But one thing is very clear, my lord. So far, my date of joining, that is 1/8/4/94, that is admitted by the respondent, my lord. There is no dispute to that effect, my lord. Only they are saying, my lord, that it's adjustment, my lord, but there is no break in service, my lord. I'm in continuous appointment. Law says that, but if I have continuous appointment, that is to be counted, my lord. I'm earlier also, my lord, I'm working under the graduate skill, thereafter also, and the same school. There is no change of school or not break in service. My appointment is a continuous appointment. So, but I'm entitled to my benefit of my past service, my lord. That cannot be taken away. Even if I am officially, my lord.
Okay, we'll pass the order.
And law is very clear, my lord.
But he was not regularized.
Obliged.
Coming item 15.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, matter pertains to my lord, non-receiving of pension, my lord. On last occasion, my lord, my learned senior, my lord, has taken time for instruction, my lord. Matter was listed 13/12/2023. Present status is, my lord, petitioner has received the pension and gratuity, but till date, my lord, not received GPF, group insurance, and other retirement benefits, my lord. This is the present status, my lord. Mr. Fukan?
My lord, my instruction is that, my lord, there are three components of the retirement benefit. One, monthly pension, second, gratuity, and third, the leave encashment. All these three components have been fulfilled, my lord, already. And the writ petition is not clear about the other aspects, my lord, regarding GPF, CPF. And in view of that GPF, my lord, since he has converted from CPF to GPF, so that monthly pensionary benefits have been given, my lord. So there nothing remains, my lord. My lord, regarding that.
Have you filed your affidavit?
My lord, since, my lord, the other retirement benefits is a blurred aspect, my lord. What benefits, my lord, he wants, my lord, and it's not clear from the petition, my lord. Only the GPF that is converted to monthly pensionary benefits and leave encashment and gratuity. These three components.
So you are receiving that three components? No, my lord.
My lord, earlier order
GPF
dated.
person has not received, my lord.
My lord, kindly have a look at the earlier orders, two orders. One is dated 20th June 2022, another 13th December 2023.
Pension, gratuity, and leave encashment has received, my lord, but GPF, General Provident Fund, has not been received till that, my lord.
My lord, that concept of GPF, my lord, my learned friend is a little bit, I think, not clear about that. That GPF relates to monthly pension. One is CPF, Cumulative Provident Fund, another GPF. If he is converted to GPF, then he is entitled to monthly pension.
Is it?
Yes, my lord. And he is receiving that monthly installment, my lord, monthly pensionary benefits under the retirement benefits rules of 1974 of Guwahati University.
Is it the correct proposition?
My lord, CPF and GPF, kindly turn to page.
CPF amount is the amount contributed by him per
Yes,
month.
my lord.
And that has been returned to him after retirement on superannuation.
My lord, that CPF amount is normally returned to the pensioners, my lord. My lord, not pensioner, the retired employee, my lord. If it is CPF and if it is GPF, my lord, then my lord, that monthly pensionary amount, my lord.
No, that may not be the correct proposition.
My lord, para 6 is regarding that rules of 1974, my lord. Para 6. And para 11 regarding CPF and GPF account.
So this a pension component and the GPF component, they are two different. So you are receiving pension
Pension receiving
per month,
per month.
but you have not received the GPF amount.
GPF amount.
That is your grievance. So after subsequent of filing of this petition, you have received the pension.
Pension, my lord, after subsequent filing of this writ petition, my lord.
And if the writ petitioner is clear, my lord, regarding what he should get, my lord, then we'll file counter to that affidavit, my lord. Since, my lord, as per our instruction, my lord, those three components have been fulfilled. And regarding this group insurance, GPF, CPF, paragraph 11 is regarding CPF and GPF. He is not entitled to both, my lord.
No,
That
whatever
CPF,
he is entitled to, you release it.
my lord, we have already released all the three components, my lord. That is the problem, my lord. If he wants, my lord,
You place on record the relevant documents.
my lord,
You
That-
file your affidavit.
that we have released those three components.
Yes.
My lord, that is clear from earlier two orders, my lord. But in spite of that, I may file affidavit if it so requires, my lord.
Part is that?
S.A.B. Khabir, my lord.
Yes.
S.A.B. Khabir.
SAB Kabir, learned from Board of Education, and the sub is the Mr. Pukon learned standing on council for the respondent authority submits that as per the instruction received by him, all the three components have been released in favor of the present petitioner and nothing has been remained to be paid by the respondent authority. However, Mr. Pukon learned standing council for the respondent of authorities is directed to place on record the relevant documents of payment of all the three components by filing an affidavit. List the matter after 1 week.
That may be fixed, my lord.
After 1 week, on 9th May.
9th of May.
My lord. And I'll also clarify regarding that CPF and GPF, my lord, benefits under retirement benefits rules.
Number 30.
Most of them.
Obliged.
30.
None appears for the petitioner on call, recital is permitted. After 1 week. Oh, no. None appears for the petitioner on call. Order dated 13/11/2020 indicates that the petitioner remain absent on that day also. The petitioner remained unrepresented on that day also. In view of above, there's a court is inclined to dismiss this writ petition for non-prosecution.
31.
Same order. Dismiss for non-prosecution. Earlier order is 10/3/2025.
32.
Your lordship. Well, in this private respondent has filed affidavit manner. The department has not filed any affidavit till today.
I'm praying for some time to file a affidavit.
You have not filed.
No,
You are for the private respondent.
no, Lordship. I'm for the education department, higher education.
Higher education.
ID. The affidavit may be necessary, madam. Issue
Okay.
whichever.
Or Mr. Ziuddin, learned counsel for the petitioner and madam.
I does on behalf of the Upamanna.
I thus learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr.
The Upamanna.
D. Upamanna, learned standing counsel for the higher education department.
I appear for the private respondent, your lordship.
And Mr. Your good name?
T. Kashyap, your lordship.
D. Kaisha for the private respondent number?
Number 5.
5. The learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. D. Upamanna submits that she may be granted some time to file affidavit in opposition. There is accordingly allowed. Let's leave the matter after 2 weeks.
33.
Obligor.
Lordship, in this service upon respondent number C6 complete.
Service completed.
Service completed.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5 are already appearing.
Third, Mr.
S. Nag for DK Kotoki.
S.
Nag.
Learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr.
DK Kotoki.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Then, madam, you were appearing for elementary education.
Praying for elementary education minor, but their grievances against the government minor. He's challenging the minutes of the DLC minor.
That also heard Ms. Sophia, learned standing counsel for the respondents in elementary education department.
1, 3,
And
4.
for deputy commissioner,
Deputy Commissioner. B. Devi minor. He was there, man.
Mr. Devi.
Minor.
Record his presence, Mr. Devi. Who is for respondent number 6?
No one has appeared, Lordship.
Respondent number 6 remain unrepresented today. So service of notice was effected upon him. As per office note dated 7/11/2024. AD card. Yeah, from the AD card received by the registry, it cannot be ascertained as to who had received the aforementioned notice. Now, who has received the notice on behalf of respondent number 6? Accordingly, it is provided that the petitioner, learned counsel for the petitioner shall take fast step upon respondent number 6 by registered post with AD and also by usual process. Okay, we release the matter after 4 weeks.
34. 34.
Lordship, we have received an instruction, Your Lordship.
None appears for the petitioner on call, however, Miss.
Yes, yes. No, name is not been shown, Your Lordship, in the copy.
None appears for the petitioner on call. However, Miss Peranti, learned standing counsel for the respondent elementary education are present and submits that he has received instruction. Since the name of earlier set of council was deleted from that of list, it is provided that registry shall issue notice to the petitioner within a week from today. List the matter after 4 weeks.
25.
May I please? And on 4/3/2025, Mr. N.J. Khatun, Learned Counsel for the Elementary Education, placed 2 weeks time to place the detailed report with regard to compliance order on High Court, sir.
My lord, here lawsuits, though I have received, I am appearing lawsuit on behalf of Mr. N.J. Khatun, lawsuit. Lawsuits, here I have received a report that his name was not recommended by the District Scrutiny Committee for consideration. So accordingly, I have requested the director to issue a speaking order. Lawsuit may can feature on next week. I'll produce that order lawsuit.
Yes.
Sir, your good name?
B.
right?
Rahman. B. Rahman.
B. Rahman, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. Sistri.
Yes.
For
For a department.
on behalf of Mr. N.J. Khatun, learned counsel for the elementary department. Mr. Sistri, press for
1 week time.
testing the matter after 1 week, so as to enable him to produce the up-to-date status.
Yes, yes. That will be on.
Here is accordingly allowed, this is a link the matter on
By the way. Oblige.
first of May.
Oblige.
36.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, the matter became infructuous, Lordship.
Infraction.
Yes, Lordship. The petitioner
is that?
PJ Datta.
DJ Dotto, Learned Council for the petitioner, and Mr. Bora for respondents in elementary education.
My lord, elementary.
Elementary Education Department. Mr. Dotto, Learned Council for the petitioner, submits that this writ petition become infectious. Para taking note of the submission of Mr. Dotto, Learned Council for the petitioner, this writ petition starts closed.
Obliged.
37. Malad, this is a one-time application, my order of 2022, Malad. Till date, Malad, this is
I have
not
received an
applied, my
instruction
lord.
that the finance department has requested the education department to have a view from the personnel department. So file has been sent to the personnel department for his view losses, and we are waiting for the views of the personnel department. This is the instruction that I have received, losses.
It is an order of 2022, my lord. Since then, my lord, it was communicated to between the department, my lord. The direction was the clear, my lord, to allow, my lord, pay the area, my lord.
Only because the finance department has requested us to certain views from the personnel department. That's why.
Direction is to comply within 3 months. It's now 3 years, my lord, I think, 2022. And the petitioner
And
directed
finance
as
is
an
not a
additional
party.
director from the education department only, my lord, the petitioner was retired as an additional director of the education department.
That is why losses in contempt cases also finance should have been a party. Then losses which should have been better.
No,
But the finance-
who is the contemnor?
Director, my lord.
Here, but director, until finance, until Loti approve this, it is difficult for the director to pay loss.
So, Mr. Sisti, you are to comply with the order.
Yes, Losip. Only
Unless
the
and
finance-
until you
yes,
file a review petition or
No,
appeal
Losip.
before.
For compliance, we will send it file to the finance. The finance has said that.
No, what you will do if you receive the instruction from the personnel department, you will not comply with the order of the court.
Even, my lord, in the order, it is not said the verify the, my lord, after verifying, it is not also said the verifying, my lord.
Finance
It is
will get-
clear direction, my lord, to pay the, my lord, benefits of the retirement benefits, my lord. And the department verifying after that, my lord,
No,
here and
Mr.
there, my lord.
Sisti,
Yes.
can you disobey the order of the
No, no.
court on the basis of
No,
the
no.
due given?
These
by
are
the
these are
finance
only departmental losses. The finance department has sought some views, access to get a view from the personnel department losses. That is the difficulty. Because until the fund had to be approved by the finance department.
Maybe we are not concerned with that. We are
Yes.
concerned with the contemnor only.
Yes.
It is your business how you comply with the order of the.
Losses may kindly fix it after 2 weeks. Losses, let me
No,
get.
no,
the-
no, why 2 weeks?
My lord, my lord, finance department was called for, the council has already given the, my lord, instruction before this honorable court. Although he is not a party, my lord, the honorable court has instructed the finance, council for the finance department to place the instruction, my lord. He has already placed, my lord. That part also done, my lord. Now again, my lord, it was sent for the personnel department for the, my lord.
Personnel department on the advice of the finance department, not by the department itself. Losses. The finance has asked us to get a view from the personnel
No,
department.
no. My
For
question
compliance,
is-
that is clearly for compliance. That is written that what is there, losses. For compliance with the High Court's order. Anyway, next week then lordship, let me get an instruction from the director, specific instruction.
No, if you fail to comply with the order of this court within 1 week,
Yes.
the person concerned has to remain present.
Yes,
in
yes,
the court.
yes, lordship.
That may be
Heard-
recorded,
heard
my lord.
Mr.
As has recommended.
Yes, Azurika, Learned Counsel for the petition and Mr. Sisti, Learned Counsel for the contempt. Mr. Sisti, producing a letter of the Joint Secretary to the Doctor of the Assam Department of School Education submits that as per advice of the Finance Department, the Department of School Education has moved the personnel department soliciting its views, stroke suggestion towards compliance of the order of this court passed in WBC number 493 of 2018. And on receipt of the advice of the personnel department, the school education department will take necessary step accordingly. And under such circumstances, Mr. Sisti prays for granting him some time to produce the latest status report. Where is accordingly allowed. In the event of failing to comply with the order of this court, the court will consider directing the contender to remain personally present before this court on next step. This is the matter of 7 May.
I'm obliged, my lord.
Today, my friend has appeared on behalf of respondent number 14, both the cases, my lord. Service reports is awaited as per office note, but he has appeared.
Your Lordship,
Now
I
service
will-
completed.
Yes, my lord, in
I
both.
will
the
file the wakalat number today.
Today.
Okay.
Part Mr. M. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr.
K. Kolita.
K. Kolita, learned counsel for the respondent number
4.
respondent number 4.
In both
And, Ms. Arunki for respondent number? Respondents in elementary education department?
Secondary, 1 to 3.
Part. It is submitted at the bar that service has already been completed and the matter is ready for admission hearing.
In both the cases. ma'am. Both the cases. Yes.
You have already filed your Okalatnama or you are going to file today? Going to file today. Learned counsel for the so submits that he will be filing the Okalatnama. This is a Lisa matter on when? In the meantime, learned counsel for the respondent number 4. So may file affidavit in opposition.
My lord, in both the cases. In both the cases, he will appear.
In both the cases.
Item
40. Thirty, 39, 40.
Lordship, the private respondent has submitted the affidavit and we are newly engaged by the petitioner led by senior counsel PJ Soikia, sir. And the names of the other 4 counsels be deleted except PJ Soikia, KG Soikia, sir, and Ditulda and Tinlung. Total 8 counsels were there earlier.
So you are appearing on behalf of PJ Soikia?
Yes, Lordship.
Third miss, your good name please?
Tinlung.
Learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. PJ Soikia, learned senior counsel for the petitioner, and Ms. Dharampi for the respondents in secondary education department. Regarding service of notice upon this 3, 4, and 5 respondent number. She is a inspector.
Yes, sir, Lordship.
Are you
I'm
representing?
appearing, yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, and 3. And the principal?
Lordship,
Principal of the Samata Higher
we don't
Secondary
appear,
School?
your Lordship. We don't appear for the principal.
The Pakalanama is signed. It's in the apps. It's showing in the apps. The Pakalanama is signed. Amdas, somebody Amdas.
The learned counsel for the petitioner shall take press slip about respondent number 4 and 5. By registered post with ADN, also by usual process. With from the- So you have to take press step.
Okay, Lordship.
Let's the matter of preference.
41 for respondent number 5 and appearing.
Mr. Pujari for respondent number 5.
41.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, in this case, as per office note, service upon the respondent number 2 has been complete. But so far as respondent number 1 is concerned, your lordship, 2 completed in the last date also, but none has entered appearance, I think.
I will appear, lordship. Let me click copy of the copy. I'll get
Oh,
instruction.
1 and 2.
Yes, yes, for both. My name may be shown in the cause list, lordship. May kindly.
Or Mr. M.S. Lustor, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. Sisti for respondent number.
1 and 2.
Respondent number 1 and 2. Mr. Sisti submits that the counsel for the learned counsel for the petitioner may be directed to furnish a copy of the petition along with relevant documents to him. Here is accordingly allowed. Mr. Lustor shall furnish the copy of the petition along with relevant documents to Mr. Sisti during the course of the day,
Lordship.
so as to enable Mr. Sisti to obtain necessary instruction. Then list the matter.
It will take some time. I have gone through it, lordship, after 4 weeks, lordship, because some verification we have to done, lordship, in the SSA level.
After 4 weeks.
42.
Obliged.
My lord, this petitioner reappeared in January. There is a direction to release provisional pensions, and with compliance order, the affidavit is not filed. And in the meantime, my lord, on floor for main case was listed, and there is a direction of this honorable court to personal appearance, my lord, because regular pensions proposal also not sent by this contaminant, my lord. So he's taken it personally, and
My lord, may I please your lordship? My lord, Mr. B. Kaushik is out of session. My lord, can it be tomorrow? Tomorrow, my lord.
that order is 25 for it was fixed for personal appearance. Because my lord,
Let it be tomorrow.
uh,
Heard Mr. M. Jabara, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Miss
K. Das. K. Das.
A. Das, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr.
B. Kaushik.
B. Kaushik, learned counsel for the respondent of no, for the contempt. Miss Das, Mr. Kaushik is absent today.
Yes, my lord.
Miss Das submits that Mr. Kaushik is out of the station and therefore press for listing the matter for where is allowed, press the list the matter for.
43.
My lord, in this case, my lord, as per office note 7/12/2024, there are some insufficient postal statement. I may be allowed to take face step, my lord, on the respondent.
Heard Mr. N. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner and Sarma, learned counsel for the petitioner and Miss. Madam, your good name, please.
I does on behalf of the Upamana.
I Das, learned standing counsel.
1 and 2.
appearing on behalf of, no, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. T. Pomina, learned standing counsel for the respondent number 1 and 2. Mr. Sharma submits that he may be granted some time to take step upon respondent number 3 and 4.
Only three.
3, yes, respondent number 3. Where is accordingly allowed, step be taken by research post with ADN also a legal process within a. Then list the matter of that for weeks.
Yes.
44.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, in this matter, I have taken steps today, lordship, to the respondent number
Okay.
4 and 5, lordship.
Mr. PJ Dotto, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has taken step upon respondent number
4 and 5, lordship.
4 and 5 today.
Lordship.
Then press for listing the matter after 4 weeks.
Lordship.
After 4 weeks. And Mr. Sisti, learned standing counsel for the respondent. In Liverpool secondary in elementary education department present. Okay, let's list the matter after 4 weeks.
Obliged, lordship.
Pending items 27 and 46.
I see, right. Yes, so Mr.
My lord,
Have you gone for the scan copy?
not, my lord.
No.
My lord, maybe fix a date only, my lord. I will go through immediate short date, my lord.
When?
Tomorrow, lordship.
Tomorrow is
Only
hearing
two, 3 documents are required to be, lordship. They have to go
already
to only
day
2,
after
3 documents, lordship.
Day after tomorrow, my lord.
Wednesday.
My,
Wednesday then.
my,
Or Mr. A. Ahmed, learned counsel for the accused. And Mr. Boisho, learned additional PP for the respondent of the case. No, for the state respondent. Mr. Boisho submits that scanned copy of the case diary has been received, then he may be granted some time to go through the same. Here it is allowed, this is the matter. Wednesday,
my lord. Deeply.
46 of the same.